Welcome to Room 1's Assembly, Earth Day 2023. Article 24. I have the right to good quality healthcare, to clean water and good food.
What is Earth Day? The first Earth Day was held in 1970 in America. Earth Day was started to encourage people around the world to think and learn about what we can do to look after our planet. When is Earth Day? Earth Day is held on the 22nd of April every year. The theme for Earth Day 2023 is Invest in Our Planet. This theme is to encourage everybody to look after our planet to improve our environment. We only have one Earth, and it is our job to make sure it stays clean and healthy. Earth Day helps us learn about ways to look after our planet. Here are some things you can do to look after planet Earth. It is important to pick up litter so as it does not harm animals and plants. Trees, plants and flowers provide food and homes for animals. They also help to create clean air for us to breathe. Some materials such as plastic, paper and glass can be recycled. This means that once we are finished with them, they can be turned into new things for us to use. Replace plastic bags with reusable bags. Plastic bags can be harmful to the environment. It takes a long time to break down and can harm plants and animals. Only use reusable water bottles.
Happy Earth Day!
Your challenge: learn Makaton for Happy Earth Day. Tell your friends something you are going to do to help look after our Earth. Thank you for watching Room 1's Assembly. We hope you enjoyed it.